If you're a South Florida homeowner and you're trying to choose between impact windows and hurricane shutters, I'm going to save you thousands of dollars and a serious headache right now. The decision is harder here than anywhere else. Miami-Dade is not just standard hurricane county, it's a high velocity hurricane zone. And that decision changes everything. Products that are perfectly legal in Orlando or Tampa, they don't qualify for a permit here. So before you compare prices, you have to make sure you're comparing products that are actually approved for where you live. So let's talk some basics. Impact windows are permanently glazed with heavy-duty laminated glass. There's no setup, there's no storage, and nothing to forget when a storm hits. On the other hand, hurricane shutters are panels or accordion-style systems that you physically deploy before a storm every single time. Both of these systems can be properly rated for a hurricane zone. They can both protect your home. The real question is, which one fits your life, which one fits your budget, and which one fits your house? Let's have the cost conversation that nobody has honestly. Impact windows are gonna cost more up front, and we're not gonna pretend otherwise, but shutters, they're gonna carry hidden costs, annual maintenance, hardware replacement, and the real risk that someone in your house physically cannot put them up. When you have a storm that's coming in fast, this is not a small thing in South Florida. Performance is closer than the commercials suggest. A properly installed, code-rated shutter is gonna perform, but so does a properly installed impact window. The difference comes down to installation quality and the contractor behind it, not just the product sitting on top of a shelf. And here's what a lot of companies won't tell you. A lot of contractors are gonna push impact windows hard simply because the profit margins are better for them, or it's a product that they don't offer. And it's usually not automatically the right answer for your home. So at Bigfoot, we install both. We tell you which one actually makes sense for your specific situation, for your budget, and for your permit requirements. So if you have a contractor that only sells one option, ask yourself why. So impact windows or hurricane shutters? The honest answer depends entirely on your specific home. We have a full video series covering every variable, costs, performance, and real installation factors. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and browse our playlist to find those guides. And if you're ready to talk to a licensed contractor, Bigfoot Windows and Roofing is here. Bigfoot Windows and Roofing, building trust, one window, one door, one roof at a time.